Welcome back to Inner Purpose Therapy, your one-stop destination for all things mental health support. Are you worried that outside stressors might be quietly eroding your relationship? In our last episode, we tackled relationship anxiety, the doubts and fears that can sabotage even the strongest partnerships. We learned that understanding your own internal struggles is the first step to building a solid relationship. But what about the pressures that come from outside your relationship? Life can be messy. Work, money, family drama, health scares, they all test your bond. Think of your relationship as a house. External stress is the storm that reveals the cracks. The goal isn't to ignore the storm, but to weather it together and come out stronger. We'll break down how these outside forces impact your connection and what you can do about it. This isn't about blame. It's about becoming a team that can handle anything. You have the power to protect your relationship, but it takes honesty, strategy, and effort. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. You can't fight what you can't see. External stressors, work, money, family, health, often sneak in and drain your energy. Even positive changes like a new job or a baby can strain your relationship. The key is to become a detective. Notice when you're irritable or distant and ask what's really causing it. Sit down with your partner and list what's stressing you out. Is it work, money, family? Name it. Once you identify the real culprits, you can stop fighting each other and start fighting the problem together. Admitting the problem is the first step to taking its power away. Teamwork starts with honesty. Once you know your stressors, talk about them, but do it right. Avoid you statements that sound like blame. Use I statements to share your feelings. For example, instead of "you're never home," try "I feel overwhelmed managing things alone." This invites empathy, not defensiveness. If you're worried about money, say, "I feel anxious about our bills," instead of "you spend too much." Vulnerability builds trust. Open, honest, non-accusatory communication is the foundation of a resilient relationship. It's not always easy, but it's worth it. When you create a safe space to share stress, you become allies, not adversaries. You build trust and intimacy. You're not just partners, you're a team. That's powerful. Practice this and watch your connection grow. Communication is a two-way street. When your partner opens up, your job is to truly listen, validate their feelings. "That sounds tough," or "I get why you're stressed." Offer emotional support, a hug, encouragement, or just being present. Sometimes they don't need solutions, just to know you're there. Then offer practical help. Take on chores, help with budgeting, or ask, "What can I do to help?" Emotional and practical support together create real partnership. When you show up for each other, stress loses its power to divide. Instead, it brings you closer. Every challenge becomes a chance to prove your bond is strong. Be each other's safe place. That's how you turn stress into connection. You've got each other's backs. Your relationship should be a sanctuary, but you have to protect it. Set boundaries with work. No emails after dinner, no calls during couple time. It's tough in a 24/7 world, but your peace and connection are worth it. Sometimes you'll need to set boundaries with family or friends too. Decide together what you're available for and don't be afraid to say, "That doesn't work for us right now." Guard your couple time fiercely. Boundaries. Let your relationship breathe and grow. When you're together, be present. Put away distractions. This protected time helps you recharge and reconnect. Without boundaries, the outside world will drain you. Build your fortress together. Protect what matters most. You can't pour from an empty cup. Self-care isn't selfish. It's essential. Real self-care is about daily habits: sleep, exercise, and healthy food. Move your body, eat well, and get enough rest. These basics make a huge difference. Tend to your mental health too. Try hobbies, journaling, or meditation to manage stress. Schedule time to recharge, just like any important appointment. Don't wait until you're burned out. Support each other's self-care. Encourage breaks, share responsibilities, and cheer each other on. When you both take care of yourselves, you bring your best selves to the relationship. You become two strong individuals choosing to be together. That's the foundation of a healthy partnership. Take care of yourself so you can take care of each other. It's the best gift you can give your relationship. Let's put this into action. Sit down with your partner and create a stress management plan. Identify your stressors, agree on how you'll communicate, and brainstorm ways to support each other. Set boundaries and commit to protecting your time together. Try stress-reducing activities as a team: meditation, walks, or fun date nights. Make stress management a shared, even enjoyable part of your relationship. If things get overwhelming, don't hesitate to seek help from a counselor or therapist. Remember, you're a team. Life will always bring challenges, but facing them together makes your bond unbreakable. Every storm you weather together makes you stronger. Next time, we'll tackle rebuilding trust after it's been broken. Join me as we keep building the relationship you truly want.